What's up, Stock Up community? I hope this video finds you well. I'm going to talk real slow and mellow right now because I want you to calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. Everything is red. Everything is red. I want you to listen to this entire video because I'm going to talk about our favorite stock right now, Shell Tortoise Acquisition. But I'm also going to give you some tips on Tesla, if you got it. And I'm going to give you some tips what I think about Apple. If you go to your phone right now, go to any chart, right? If you look at all of the tech stock, right? So the tech stock, let's look at the Dow first. The Dow, red, 800 points yesterday, negative, another 300 right now. NASDAQ, red, S&P, red. Apple, Google, Tesla, red, red, red. And I'm going to tell you that for those of you that are looking to buy stuff on sale, this is a golden opportunity. This is a golden opportunity. And I want those of you that know what's going on and has been through this market, I want those of you that are more experienced to leave a comment below and help the newbies that go, oh my God, I bought Shell and now I'm negative. Or I bought Shell, I'm still good, but I'm losing my profits. I'm going to warn you right now, if you sell this stock, you lock in your losses right now. You've lost it if you lock it in. But for those of us that know that the tech stock is what caused everything to fall. If the Dow, the S&P 500, all of this goes down, Google, it forces everything else to go down. When a big whale flops in the water, everybody gets wet. But for those of us that know what's going on, this provides a golden opportunity to buy on the dip. Everybody say it with me. Buy on the dip. I did another video about that. Buying on the dip. This is the opportunity. For those of you that's just getting in for the first time and the stock was a little pricey for you, you only have a couple of $100s to invest with. This is the sale you've been waiting on. So I personally like volatile markets as long as it's a parabolic chart or parabolic volatility. What parabolic means is that it's a chart that goes up. So the stocks dips down, right? But then it goes up higher. Then it dips down, but then it goes up higher. And it dips down, but it goes up higher. You don't mind the dips, right? So what? Because it keeps doing this, but you bought it here. So if you bought it here, it goes up and it dips down, it goes up, it dips down, you're still making money. What beginners do is they panic as soon as it goes down, sell everything, lock in your losses, and you'll be the ones that are sitting on the sideline going, I wished I would have held. So let's take a brief snapshot of what the market is doing. It's correcting itself. It needed to. The entire market was overvalued, right? And so what's happening now is it's drawing back. I posted an early video about Tesla, and I suggested you guys not to get any more Tesla. I'll see if I can find the clip, but I'm trying to get this out to you today before the market close. I think Tesla, if you don't own Tesla, I think you should wait for the dip. It already started today. There's going to be a sell-off. They did the 5-to-1 split on Monday, and I think people are going to do profit taking. Remember, this month is generally a profit taking month anyway for those of you that's newbies. Every year, this is the profit taking month. It's the worst. It's not a good month, right? And you're going to see a lot of people. What profit taking is, people are selling their shares off, taking their profits, and then the stock goes down. Tell you what I've been doing today. I've been buying more Shell. I've been buying because it's on sale. So I'm going to deal with Shell in a minute, Tortoise Acquisition, but let's just deal with Tesla right now. Tesla was overvalued. I had it before the split. I'm going to get back in. I told somebody last week I'm looking at around 350. And you're going, what? It was $400 the other day. It was $500 the other day. So we know that Tesla did a 5-to-1 split and Apple did a 4-to-1 split. I sold my Apple. I sold my Tesla. I'm not telling you to. If you're in it for the long run, stay in it. If you're a long run in Tesla, stay in it. But I made money, right? So when it goes back down to 350-ish, maybe 360, 340, I'm getting back in and I'm in for the long haul because I've been waiting on this. This is what I've been preaching to you guys. There's a correction coming and it's here, right? Now, there may be another one coming based on the election. The closer we get to the election, I want to be perfectly clear. The closer we get to the election, we may have another correction, right? But I think the market is kind of pricing that in right now, and it won't be as bad as possible. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Invest some money, keep some money on the sideline. Because when the dip comes and you're all invested, you have nothing to buy the sale price with. You don't have any cash left, right? And so that's where a lot of us are. I've actually pulled more money in from my savings over into my trading account because I want to buy more Shell. So let's deal with Shell. Right now, look at the 52-week high, right? Just look at the 52-week high. It's at least going to surpass the 52-week high, which it's not at right now because it's on sale. The stock is going up and the warrants are trailing behind. So me personally, I'm buying even more warrants, right? And I'm buying a few stock, but I'm buying more warrants. I will tell you that you just need to chill. Just chill and watch everybody panic. And so what you had is you had a couple of whales. Whales are big investment, corporations that buy big blocks, right? Hedge fund managers and financial institutions that buy, millions of shares, right? So you had three big whales. They dumped the stock. Why did they dump it? Profit taking. Nothing wrong with the company. The company keeps coming out with better and better news. So it's profit taking. That's all it is. So now you had the profit taking, which happened only because of the drawback in the market in the tech space that drove all stocks down. And so that's what's happening right now. My phone is ringing. I'm not editing this out because I want to get this on the internet as soon as possible because I want you guys to take 1 minute, chill, think about it, look at the stock, do your own research. And if you think it's a buy right now, which I do, then buy it. Buy as much as you can because the acquisition is still going to happen. Money is still going to be made. The stock is still going to run up because, yes, there's a correction happening right now. It may be over. I think by Monday, people will have time to think about it and go, you know what? So what you got is knee-jerk reaction now. People look, they say, oh, the stock market is going down. Sell, 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 sell. But they didn't have time to research. So it's Friday. I think that Monday will happen, the holiday. We got Saturday, Sunday, Monday. People will think about it and then watch what happens to Shell Tortoise acquisition by Wednesday. If not Tuesday, watch what happens. I believe, and I could be wrong, anything could happen. I believe it's going to start spiking back up. If not by the end of the day today. But I do know that there's no bad news on the company. So when a big whale splashes, now remember we had three big whales to sell like millions of dollars of shares, right? It causes what? A sell-off because newbies going, oh my God, something's wrong with the stock. No, they're taking their profits, right? So it's a golden buying opportunity, people. Don't leave the party too early. Don't lock in your losses. Hold at least till the day of the acquisition. For those, I'm just suggesting. There again, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only, we have to say, but I'm laughing all the way to the bank. So it's not time to panic. It's time to double down. So what I want you to do is relax. What I'm going to do is buy more shell. I'm going to buy more of the warrants, and I'm going to sit back and I'm going to chill. For those of you that think like I do, leave me a comment. If you think you should have sold it, leave me a comment. And like always, hit the like button if you agree with me. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. But until then, just chill.